Before you spend $400 on a pool repair guide, watch this. Your humming pool pump is about to cost you a fortune. But I'm going to show you the $12 fix that works 9% of the time. But first, turn off your pump right now if it's still humming. Because every minute it runs like this is causing permanent damage. And here's what pool repair companies don't want you to know. 70% of broken pumps just need a $12 part replacement that takes 5 minutes. But if you wait, that humming sound means your motor is overheating and burning out, turning a $12 fix into a $400 motor replacement. There are 3 main culprits, and I'll show you how to diagnose each one in under 30 seconds. The number one cause responsible for 70% of humming pumps is capacitor failure. Your capacitor is a battery that gives your motor the electrical boost to overcome resistance and start spinning. It's that cylindrical component on top of your motor, about the size of a soda can. When capacitors fail, they show these warning signs: bulging at the top, oil leakage, or burnt electrical smell. Without it, your motor gets power but lacks starting torque. That's your humming sound. The good news, a replacement capacitor costs just $12 to $15 on Amazon. It's the exact same part pool companies charge $80 for, plus their $200 service call. I'll put my recommended capacitor link in the description below. But make sure to check and see what capacitor your pool pump needs. The second most common cause is debris jamming your impeller, the spinning part that moves water. Even tiny objects like hair, ties, or leaves can lock up the entire system. Here's the tricky part. The blockage might not be visible from above. You want to remove the pump basket and inspect with a flashlight. Sometimes you can see it, other times you'll need to manually test impeller rotation. Pro tip, a great LED inspection light, it's magnetic and hands-free, is perfect for pool equipment work. Links are in the description. You'll also want needle nose pliers for debris removal. I recommend the Klein Tools set. Now, if you clear debris but the impeller still won't turn manually, you're dealing with our third and most serious cause. The third cause is seized motor bearings. Less common, but more serious. Bearings let your motor shift spin smoothly. When they fail from age, lack of lubrication, or water intrusion, the shaft becomes impossible to turn manually. This usually happens after extended non-use, especially without proper winterization. Unlike the other fixes, seized bearings typically require professional motor replacement. Prevention is key here. A motor protector cover and bearing lubricant for annual maintenance is perfect. I added both links below. Here's the 30-second diagnosis. First, kill power at the breaker. Safety first. Remove the pump basket, inspect for debris. Try manually rotating the impeller with a long screwdriver. If it spins freely but still hums when powered on, capacitor problem. If it won't budge, debris, or seized bearings. Clear visible blockages first, then retest. Always use proper safety gear like insulated gloves and safety glasses. Your life is more than saving a few bucks. And if you're not comfortable working with electrical components, call a professional. No repair is worth risking your safety. Prevention saves thousands. Run your pump regularly to keep bearings lubricated. Clean skimmer baskets weekly. Test capacitor annually. They last 3 to 5 years, but extreme temperatures kill them faster. You can use a digital multimeter to test capacitors, which I linked below. It takes 10 seconds and prevents surprise failures. What was the cause behind your humming pump? Drop a comment below. Your experience helps other pool owners avoid expensive mistakes. Everything I mentioned is linked in the description. The $12 capacitor that saves $400 repairs. The inspection tools, safety gear, and prevention products, these are no cheap knockoffs that'll fail when you need them most. Subscribe for more money-saving pool maintenance that protects your family and your wallet. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video that could save you hundreds.